will get us underway. The Carling knockout final for 2024 is underway. Stellenbosch. Chirambadare gets his team into some trouble. Ribeiro comes away with it, looking for Shalulile. That's a very good interception made by Shoni Mokone.
Yeah, it is a very good interception, and you can see that he's very furious with his teammates because after winning the ball, they still want to play out in that space. And you know, Mamelodi
Foundation Championship, the campaign before. Yes, Shalulile back into the middle. This is a chance for Mokoena. Good save, Chipezeze. That was goal bound.
It was goal bound indeed. Good save there from Chipezeze. Whenever he's been called upon, especially in this tournament, he's always been the man that keeps the team in play. And this again, we spoke about it a little earlier. Those runs, they need to be made. Mokoena to go front.
Now Mudiba's ball is hard, but out comes Chipezeze, and he's taken it from his own teammates. Determined that they are not going to get past him in this game.
And again, I think it's one of those as well. You need that interplay. Rainer's good touch as well, allowing himself to be able to turn and find that space. Chipezeze being the one that very, very, very aware of his surroundings, quick off the mark to be able to close. That ball down.
Almost kicked him in the face extensively this time before kickoff. He has Ribeiro. Still Ribeiro. Rainer's on the left, ball into the middle. The header from Ribeiro is missed. Yes, Shalulile! Good save again, Chipezeze. Well, he keeps this up, that bank account is going to be flowing with those man of the match awards.
I'm sure the votings are in already. Take a look at the brilliant run you've been done by Ribeiro. Good play as well from Rainer's. He's been all over the pitch making those runs. But yet again, there was another game. Two men on the ball, and with his wicket.
Until they get to the edge of the area. Now Mokoena goes for goal again! And once more, the hands of Chipezeze are singing.
Indeed, Chipezeze.
Second time now he's been stopped. Or Chipezeze has stopped his effort.
You look at the number of players from Magesi. Of course, you do have a line, a nice block from the eye.
Ribeiro, Allende. Now Mudau in the middle again, and Chipezeze gets a little bit of the physical there from Peter Shalulile. Zaba not happy with that. Shalulile, who's a consummate gentleman, eventually does go across and apologise.
Yeah. And it was a fair ball.
Everybody back behind the ball. Allende is the man who curls it. Out comes Chipezeze, good catch. Now he wants to get Chirambadare going. Mokoena, can he get the square? Does indeed, and again it's Mokone looking to injure his own goalkeeper. He's had to apologise a few times already in this game.
One will reckon that they need to have a better communication between the two.
I think he handled that, and that's certainly what the Sundowns bench are suggesting. The advantage is with Sundowns. Rangers as well. He put that away very quickly. He saw a little bit of space to the left of Chipezeze, and Sundowns are in the lead. 35 minutes has taken the hot favourites to break the deadlock. Big smiles on the bench, big smiles in the VIP area as well. Sundowns have the goal.
I think we spoke about those little bit of runs. Yeah, it is Ribeiro being very, very clever with his passes as well, but look at the run there, Reina, just in between the defenders.
Now, there's a chance for Chirambadare in the penalty area. Rare foray forward, the cross back pass, equaliser! Now we've got a cup final on our hands. Carrara at the back post scores the goal. That was not what people were predicting at half-time.
Not at all, Mark. I mean, that's that one opportunity being given. Magesi took it, just put the ball inside the box. Chirambadare being the crosser of the ball, and just from Mamelodi Sundowns losing the ball in that midfield, Magesi find the width.
Aubrey Modiba nice and busy on that left-hand side. Now Mokoena wants Mudau at the back post. Did he put his hand out there? He's going to get a yellow card. No complaints from Kuliso Mudau.
Magesi was searching for the hand of God there. A very good ball being played by
Galaxy were very quick to see, Magesi to see that situation. Chipazeze with another safe collection.
Yeah, a very clever play there from Mamelodi Sundowns.
So many players in this Sundowns side have won league titles and cup titles, but not many of them this particular competition. One where Williams did in these days with Supersport United. Turn from Shalulile. Obas still in there. Ribeiro left foot. Good block there from Mokone. Celebrates it.
I think the frustration as well to Ribeiro, I think it's creeping in a little bit because he hasn't really found his...
and Zava as the defender. Allende, was he caught on the edge of the area? Refs playing advantage. Good shot again from Mokwena, and one more time. Still Mudau. Was he brought down by Kokora? Remember, he's been booked already. They wanted to take that Chilean. It's Ribeiro towards the back post. I think it took a touch of Shalulile. Well, Magesi are saying it was Shalulile at the last touch, and Shalulile with a wry smile on his face might have wanted fortune. Says, let's get on with it. Here's the corner. Free header. Shalulile again, and Mvala as well.
That was a good opportunity there for Mamelodi Sundowns. And I think with Shalulile, because then he couldn't get enough power behind it, then it just dipped in front of Chipazeze, then they couldn't even tackle.
Oh, that's a lovely ball for Raiders. He's got pace. He's got lots of pace too, but not enough. Mzaba comes across. Chipazeze comes out. And we will need medical treatment for both Raiders and the goalkeeper.
Chipazeze putting his body there on the line. But such a good pass there from Lukaku. He spoke about he has an eye of a pass. So then it allows the runners as well to be comfortable enough to make those runs. And here's Raiders making the run.
But Mokwena won it strongly. Raiders, was there handball? Referee says no, hit him on the head. He was well positioned there, the referee.
Well positioned indeed.
Was he right though? Pulling at Makubu.
Yeah, look at how strong Makubu has been able to...
I suppose one thing in their favour, though, they haven't played for a fortnight. Oh, goal! Magesi! They lead! Abrams! From the corner! 3.5 minutes to go. Magesi are in dreamland. Not a hint of emotion from the coach, but everyone else is celebrating furiously. What a turn-up. Allende takes possession. Neo Maema. Raiders, final whistle, they've done it. Magesi have won the Carling knockout.